Turkish drone Bayraktar TB2, strong rivals US, Israel and China. The Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish medium-altitude long-endurance male, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV. Capable of remotely controlled, or autonomous flight operations. It is manufactured by Turkey's Bayraktar company, primarily for the Turkish Air Force, TAF. The aircraft is monitored and controlled by an aircrew in the ground control station, including weapons employment. Bayraktar means ensign, or standard bearer in Turkish. The development of the UAV has been largely credited to Seljuk Bayraktar, a former MIT student. The aircraft relies on imported and regulated components and technologies, such as the engines, manufactured by Rotax in Austria, missile rack UK, and optoelectronics FLIR sensors imported from Wescom in Canada, or Hensoldt from Germany. The engine deliveries has been halted due to attention drawn on military usage, despite of commercial export license is being issued. And the sensors deliveries has been halted due to suspicion by Canadian government of usage against civilians. At the same time, local FLIR integration test started with a Solson's CATS FLIR system on November 6, 2020. Specifications of Bayraktar TB2. Data from official Bayraktar Defense website. General characteristics. Crew: 0 on board, 3 in ground station. Length: 6.5 meters 21 feet. Wingspan: 12 meters, feet 39 feet. Max takeoff weight: 650 kilograms, 1,430 pounds. Payload: 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. Power plant: 1x100 horsepower internal combustion engine with injection. Fuel capacity: 300 liters, 79 US gal. Fuel type: gasoline. Performance: maximum speed: 120 knots, 220 km per hour. Cruise speed: 70 knots, 130 km per hour. Communication range: line of sight propagation. Service ceiling: 27,000 feet, 8,200 meter. Operational altitude: 18,000 feet, 5,500 meter. Endurance: 27 hours. Armaments. Hardpoints: 4 hardpoints for laser-guided smart munition, with provisions to carry combinations of LMTAS, long-range anti-tank missile system, 70. MAM, MAM-L and MAM-C precision-guided munitions. Roketsan Sirat 70mm, missile system. Tubatak Sage Bozok laser, guided rockets. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share and subscribe.